Hi all, I'm Claire, I'm the Crafty Goth. This is my first video. I received an order from the Secret Stash. First time I've ordered from them. I thought I'd open it with you guys. I did the order yesterday and it arrived today. I was very impressed with how quick it was. So let's just have a look. I ordered some boho spirit yarn. I quite liked that yarn. Let's have a go. It's in a bag, so not quite a box. Oh, it's very well packaged in here. We have the Lunar colour. Let's just check. Yep, that's Lunar. That's what I ordered. I ordered 4 of those. It's there, and there is Eden, that one. So that's the Lunar. That's like pinks and an orange and grey, and this one's like greens and a blue. And then I ordered Festival as well, which is like bright rainbows. This is 100% premium acrylic yarn. Hang on, the dog wants to go out. I'll be back in. That's it, dog's all let out and back in now. I've just pulled out this one, which is Eden as well. Isn't that just lovely? So if you see the greens and the blues, this one's got showing more of the blues. It's kind of like a roving style yarn. It's 100% premium acrylic. It says 4 to a 4.5 hook. I used it with or a different colour scheme. I used with a size 5 hook, and I found that quite easy and a better gauge. So this is wash on a cool wash. You can machine wash it, but don't tumble dry. So yeah, that was Eden, and this is Lunar, with the pinks and purples and orange and grey. And then Festival. I love the colours in this Festival. Oh yes, and it's 100 grams in the bag, in the scheme. So there's a little bag that came with it. Let's see what's in the little bag that came with it. Oh, some little love heart sweets, which if I remember right are I can actually eat because they're vegan. Yeah, there's a lovely little welcome letter, welcome to the team. Now the reason welcoming to the Secret Yarn Stash website as a member. Now I love boho spirit and I've used it before. One of the big reasons I ordered this time from the Secret Yarn Stash is because they had an offer on the boho spirit, and so it's 3 skeins for £8.75, which is a bit of a bargain. Plus I had the 15% off for it being my first order. I was very, very impressed. It was 4:20 yesterday I made the order, and then the order arrived this morning. Very impressed with how quick it took to come, and very impressed with how well it was packed up. Okay, that's me signing off for now. Hopefully I'll make another video again soon. Thanks, bye.